There was a special beagle, and Dougal was his name. Oh, D-O-O-G-O-E, 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 and Dougal was his name. Oh. Come on, everybody, let's go and have some fun. Oh, D-O-O-G-O-E, 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 let's go and have some fun. Oh. We've have a new adventure, so come on, let's start the show. D-O-O-G-O-E, D-O-O-G-O-E, D-O-O-G-O-E. Come on, let's start the show.
Huh? Where is it? Where you be? Or you?
Hello, Captain.
Ah! Ark! What? What? It isn't old Dougal Beagle. Oh, sorry for a chit-chat, laddie, but I must find me hat.
Oh, you lost your hat?
Me sailor's hat. It flew off of my head, and it's somewhere in me ship. Without me hat, I don't know what I gotta do for myself. I'm hatless.
Oh, I'll help you find it.
Aye, much obliged, laddie old boy. Avast there be!
You found your hat, Captain?
Find me swimsuit? Oh boy, gotta use that for the Seagull's Island. Can't go without it. Oh, I also saw me hat coming down from the mast and right down into the ocean. A hat!
I got it, 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 I got it,
got it.
Oh, I got it. Ah, whew. Wooferific.
Aha! Oh, you got me, hat. Letty, old boy. Oh, what a dog. Here you are, me old hat. Aye, you'll be a fine captain to go, Beagle.
It's the least I can do, Captain Skull.
Ahoy, me boy, to the greatest ventures as we go.
There was a special beagle, and Dougal was his name. Oh, Doogoe, 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 and Dougal was his name. Oh.